Imagine having the power to create an entire YouTube video with almost just one click. If you're someone eager to start a YouTube channel but feeling overwhelmed by the video making process, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to an AI tool that can make creating a complete YouTube video as easy as pie. This faceless motivational YouTube channel has taken the internet by storm. With just 7 videos, they've managed to amass an incredible 50,000 subscribers and are making from $290 to $4,000 per month. But how did they do it? Let's do this. To access the official Flicky AI website, kindly click on the link provided in the video description. Once you're on the website, locate the Start for Free button and click on it. Then, proceed to sign up for an account using your Gmail email address. Once you're logged in, please click on New File. Then choose the video option. Afterward, select your preferred language and type in your desired file name. Now you can start with an empty file, or you have the option to explore other features as well. After clicking the Submit button, proceed to make use of ChatGPT. Access ChatGPT and create quotes using the provided prompt. I will provide you with this prompt in the video description. If you prefer, you can craft your own prompt if the provided one does not suit your needs. Once you have generated the script, copy it and return to Flicky AI. Now proceed to Scene 1 and paste the first line of your script. Next, adjust the voiceover settings. You have the option to select a different language, gender, and voice style. It's recommended to choose a high-quality voice with a deep and crisp tone.
Flicky helps you create audio.
Flicky helps you create audio and video content.
Flicky helps you create audio and video.
Flicky helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
After selecting your preferred voice, ensure you check the Apply this voice to all the voiceovers option. And finally, click on the Select button to confirm your choice. Click on Layout. Here you have the option to utilize the stock library or upload your own data. However, for the purpose of this video, we will use the AI image generator. Click on the AI image generator option, then type in the name of a Stoic philosopher or provide their details. Afterward, click on the Go button. Once you receive the desired image, click on Use this art. Now proceed to the settings and change the aspect ratio to the landscape. Don't forget to save these settings. Click on the script text box, and on the right side, you'll find the subtitle options. Customize the subtitle font, color, position, and animation to create an appealing subtitle style. Take your time to ensure it looks visually pleasing, and when you're satisfied, click on Apply to similar layers. Next, navigate to the background music section and add a background music track that suits your video. Set music volume to 10 or 15%. Once you've completed all these settings, click on the Download button, followed by the Start Export button. Be patient as the rendering process takes place. You can repeat this process to create a complete video. Here's the first demo video for reference.
Stoicism, an ancient philosophy with enduring wisdom, extols the virtues of certain individuals who embody its principles. These 7 types of people are celebrated for their stoic qualities, providing us with inspiration and guidance in our modern lives.
Introducing a one-click method. Simply click on the Convert button and then select Idea to Video. Type in your idea. Choose the desired video length and pick a style. For example, if you're planning to create a motivational video, select that style. Finally, click on the Submit button and watch the magic happen. This method will automatically generate a script, create scenes, and add the necessary stock media based on the script's requirements. Simply issue the command and relax. The process is streamlined for your convenience. You have the flexibility to change videos and incorporate AI-generated images, similar to Method 1. Once you're finished making adjustments, click the Download button to export your video.
Seven types of people Stoicism praises. First, the resilient, who, like an oak, remain unbroken in a storm. Next, the adaptable, thriving no matter the circumstances, like a chameleon on a rainbow. Third, the patient, unbothered by time, like a river carving a canyon. Then, the self-disciplined, controlling their desires, like a charioteer reining in wild horses.
Now the question is, which method do you find better for creating high-quality videos, automatically or manually? Please share your thoughts in the comments section. See you in the next video.